English language is very important for all people around the world for communication each other. Now I'm in the car before I start working. I just want to tell all of you, you know, I, Sawan, I come from Cambodia and nowadays I work in New Zealand. As you know that English is a second language for all Cambodian people and it's very tough when we go to other country using other languages. Honestly, in New Zealand, they use English language. And in my workplace, I work with foreigners and about the owner, a foreigner also, not Cambodian. You know, sometimes it's very tough for me, even though I studied English since I was young. But, you know, I can use English regularly and nowadays when I work, I must speak English and I try to speak to them and sometimes I understand and sometimes I don't understand too. But I will try. If I understand, I can answer about what they want. And if sometimes I don't understand, I just want them to repeat it or they and me use about the body language, right? Yes, to know each other. Unfortunately, you know, my workplace have no Cambodian people, have only me, Cambodian person. Yeah, but I think that based on my experience, I think if we have time, we should try to learn English as much as possible you can. And I think about study English have a lot of ways. Like you can learn English from school, from yourself, like watching movie, story, or speak in front of the mirror or camera also. The first time I think it's very difficult. Yep. And we really don't know we can speak it's good or not. Or sometimes we are difficult to find yes other partner to speak with. But I think we should start today, not waiting until you can speak English fluently. No, not waiting until you are good at speaking English you should start now. And if you stuck something, or if you think you should to correct some words, or you create about you sentence by yourself, I think it's good, because when we just want to work at other country, the country where speak English, and if you can speak English, I think it's very very tough for communicating each other, because English we use all over the world, you see. So today I just want to show, I just want to tell all of you, try to learn English, you know try to learn H, because when we can speak English, it's very very easy. Yeah, it's very very easy because we must meet a lot of foreigners. Yeah. Okay, thank you, because now it's on time. Okay, I should go. Yeah. Okay, thank you. See me when I have free time. Bye.